Hey man, welcome back to Walden's World. Me and Simon over here working on one of these little cool thingamajiggers. I'm taking Simon to the school of ATV mechanics, and he ain't paid me any for his colleging yet, but we're learning some stuff. So today we spent about 2 hours on this hunk of junk, trying to figure out what it is, and we were smoking wires and everything else. The wire up here for the brake switch actually melted, and after we tore everything apart, headlight wasn't working correctly. We turned on the brake and it actually shut the light off, all the way down to forever. And I traced it down to this right here. Somebody had replaced one of my power lines with a ground wire in the tail light, and that got me through the whole system. And it took a long time, didn't it, Simon?
Yeah, it took about
2 hours?
more than 2 hours.
It was too damn long, but considering everything, it's still worth the money, right, Simon?
Yeah.
We got a good running, properly correct, working machine now, and it'll be ready for sale. So even though it costs Simon about, let's see, how much do I charge Simon? About $700 an hour. So, I mean, if he's going to take a $200 loss on this deal, but it's still all good. Anyway, we got her all fixed up. This thing's pretty sweet. You got a battery in it, Simon? Can we start it? Let's start it for the people. We fixed the brakes. Oh, man, check her out, dude. I mean, I've never had one of these. I'd like one of these, too. We better check the valves, too. But other than that, everything looks good. And this is actually a weird one that you turn the lights on. I've never seen one of those before. I thought they all came on. High beam, low beam. Never seen